Hi everyone! Today I have an announcement to make, and that is that my Flutter REST API crash course is now complete and fully available on my website. The full course contains over 3 hours of content, and it shows you how to build a fully functional coronavirus tracker application starting from scratch. So in this video I want to give you an overview of all the topics that are covered. The course offers an introduction to REST and working with REST APIs, and it shows you how to use REST client to make calls to the nCoV 2019 REST API. After that, you see how to create an API service using the Dart HTTP package, and how to make requests and parse JSON data into strongly typed model classes. You'll then build a data repository and use it to abstract away some logic for refreshing the access token. And you'll see how to combine data from multiple responses with Future.wait. You'll build a dashboard with nice looking cards that show the data from the API. And you'll see how to refresh the data and show the last updated date from the server. And learn about date formatting along the way. You will learn about error handling and how to show alert dialogs to the user. And also how to add a data caching service with shared preferences so that the app works in offline mode. And most important of all, by taking this course, you can learn about good app architecture as a way to structure your code and keep it modular. Overall, the course covers many important topics with attention to detail and emphasis on how to write a production-ready app. And you're likely to encounter these topics again as you build your own Flutter apps in the future. So you can find the full course on this page at courses.codewithandrea.com. And over here, you can find the entire curriculum. By the way, the first 2 chapters are available as a free preview, so if you want, you can watch these before committing to buy the course. In any case, I'm confident that this course will help you to write better code and become a better software engineer. And maybe it will even give you something relaxing to do during these difficult times. So you can enroll now to get access to the full course. By the way, many of you have been asking if this course will be available on Udemy. So if this is what you want, then I have good news for you, because I decided that I'll publish this course on Udemy as well. I'm planning to do this over the coming weeks, and the course should be available on Udemy around the end of April. However, I'd like to point out that Teachable will be my preferred platform going forward, and I can use it to offer discounts as well as bundle multiple courses together in the future. So I encourage you to take the full course on Teachable over here, and you can also find the course link in the description below. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again on this channel for more Flutter tutorials.